Okay, our first language arts lesson today is about riddles. Now, we've done riddles before with language arts and English in class, and some of you really like riddles. Now, I've told you before, I'm not the best at riddles, but I do think they're very fun. So we're going to go over two of them together, and then you get to do some on your own, which is super cool. So let's look at the first one. I'm round, and I go up and down. You can throw and catch me. Be careful with me near windows. What am I? So what's something that's round? It goes up and down. You can throw it and catch it. And you should probably be careful with it around windows. Did you figure it out? What is it? You're right. It's a ball. Good job. So I'm going to write a ball. All right, next one. I am green. I need sunlight. I grow out of the ground. What am I? What's something that's green? It needs sunlight to live and it grows out of the ground. Did you say a plant? Way to go! Or a tree or grass. Something like that. Because we know all plants need sunlight and they grow out of the ground or in a pot if they're a flower or something like that. But I'm going to put a plant. Great job! I can't wait to see all the rest of the riddles that are coming that you get to do, and I hope you enjoy them. See you in just a few minutes.